Okay, so let us start the next transcription without taking any time. Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, the bill before the House is for the abolition of two-member constituencies and for setting up single-member constituencies. In other words, the present double-member constituencies are proposed to be bifurcated as single-member constituencies with reservation of seats or constituencies for the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Now, sir, a very crucial moment in the history of our young democracy has come. Where from has this reservation arisen? Is not reservation repugnant to the very principle of democracy? Still, we have reconciled ourselves to this reservation. A reservation might be in any form. It might be in the form of constituencies. It might be for the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. It is a fact of history that in our society there are people who are called weaker sections and they go by the name of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. I do not know whose fault it is, but anyway, in our society, we find a section of people who are said to be weak. Certainly, they are weak. Their cases deserve to be considered and should be given topmost priority, but there is a lot of misapprehension when we talk of reservation of seats. Is a single member of the Harijan community or scheduled caste going to solve the problem of the entire Harijan population? Self-reliance, self-respect and things like that are talked of. How do they come? Will they come only by making a single man a member of the assembly or parliament? Will that give self-respect to the entire community? On the other hand, I would believe that self-respect, self-reliance or self-confidence, whatever you call it, can come more by education, more by economic upliftment, more by spread of culture, more by mingling with other classes of people, and these are the measures that are called for at present in order to uplift the weaker sections of the people. Anyway, they are there. Millions of rupees are spent on the uplift of these people, and I am sure never before in the history of this country such a lot of good to these people was done as is being done within these 50 or 60 years of our independence. I am sure all these differences would disappear and India will emerge as a cohesive nation, but in the meanwhile something has to be done. Then it was thought that it was the best arrangement that could be thought of, and it was then thought that at the end of 10 years this reservation would be done away with and there would be only full-fledged democracy functioning. Now, at the end of 10 years, we have come to the conclusion that instead of these double member constituencies, we shall have to set up single member constituencies with reservation of seats for the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribes. I should think that it is a greater retrograde step that we have taken. It is not an advance that we are making in our democratic setup. I am sure that this has happened on account of the pressure of certain sections of the people who day and night harp on self-reliance, self-respect, etc. Now, let us consider if this system that is being thought of by this bill is going to create any vested interest. Let us also consider if a spirit of segregation will be created by the step that we have taken. These are the negative aspects of the step that we are now proposing. If vested interests are going to be created, if a spirit of separatism is going to be created in this country, if perpetuation of segregation is to take place, let us reject this bill here and now. We have paid very heavy cost in the name of reservation of seats. Our country was divided. Had it not been for this principle that was introduced, however, unwittingly, our country would not have been divided today. Having found that position, let us be careful of what we do now. Now, who in this regard, the word will give up an advantage gained, whether rightfully or wrongfully gained. We have seen it in the nature of man not to give up a right that he has earned. On the other hand, he wants it to perpetuate it. Then, as the lady member said, who knows what will happen after 10 years? Of course, now there are big prophecies that after the end of 10 years, they are going to do away with the single member constituencies with reservation of seats, but who can predict the future? Will the same scheduled caste brethren not insist on their rights to have a separate vote and a separate constituency? What guarantee is there? Why do you introduce this malaise into our system? So I would utter a very respectful, mild warning here that what we do today might do a great mischief tomorrow. What matters most is our attitude to the weaker sections of the community. When the house rose last evening, I was in the midst of an argument concerning the propriety of exempting government companies from the provisions of company law. I wish to make it clear that where government owns 100% of the shares in a company, obviously many of the rules applicable to ordinary companies cannot be applied. Indeed, the well-known authority on modern company law summarized the position thus: it will be appreciated that the absence of shares and shareholders automatically renders large and import branches of company law totally inapplicable. Rules relating to the raising and maintenance of share capital, the control of directors by members, protection of minority shareholders, company meetings, and the like can have no relevance. As we have said earlier, The knotty problem of the relationship between the management and the members is solved by the abolition of the latter. Stop. अब आप देखिए एबोल्यूशन की आउटलाइन, ए और बी का ओका वोवल जरूर लगाना है. सेटअप में आप इकट्ठा जोड़ सकते हैं, लेकिन जैसे ही सेटिंग अप होता है तो आप उसे डिसजॉइन करके अप को लिखेंगे. वेयर फ्रॉम इज वन वर्ड, रिजर्वेशन. रिपग्नेंट, रिपग्नेंट में आपको स्पेलिंग जरूर याद रखने हैं, NENT नहीं होता है, NANT होता है. अनविटिंगली में डबल टी आता है. मिस एप्रीहेंशन इज वन वर्ड. जो दो बिंदियां है ये आपके हेंशन पढ़ाएगा, और सिर्फ एप्रीहेंशन आता है तो आपको अबव द लाइन लिखना है. हरिजन कम्युनिटी में देखो, बिकॉज शेड्यूल कास्ट एंड शेड्यूल ट्राइब में हरिजन कम्युनिटी आती है, इसलिए कम्युनिटी का नाम जो है वो हरिजन है, तो इसे हम 2 लाइनें जरूर डालेंगे. रॉन्गफुली में अगेन वन वर्ड. सेल्फ रिलायंस, सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, अपलिफ्टमेंट, कल्चर का सिर काट के रखना है. ब्राइटन, कोहेसिव, मैलेज, मैलेज में LAISE है, मैं आई को मिसस्पेल्ड कर रही हूँ, आप LAI लिख देना, ठीक है. इन द मीनवाइल है, मीनवाइल नीचे से ऊपर जाएगा, फुल फ्लेज्ड है. कम टू द कंक्लूजन और केम टू द कंक्लूजन में आपने फर्क देखना है, लिखना साथ में, ये हमने कंक्लूजन और शन की बिंदी जरूर लगानी है, ठीक है. रेट्रोगेट, ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ या ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ दी. हार्प ऑन, इकट्ठे वर्ड आते हैं अलग अलग, लेकिन ऑन जो है उसकी प्रेपोजिशन उसके पीछे जरूर आती है. लेट अस कंसीडर सेग्रीगेशन, और उसके बाद आपके पास है परपेचुएशन, ठीक है. ओके, so these are the words which have to be prepared for you.